Hey, Gav. Hey, Gav, can you say, hey, Anthony?
Hey, Anthony.
Say, how are you?
How are you?
Can you tell Anthony what you got there? Who's that?
Mickey.
It's Mickey.
Mickey, go first. Mickey, go first. Change it. Mickey, go past. Whoopie, Buddha, whoopie, goopie.
You can tell there's a lot of stuff there. You say there's a lot of stuff in there? Say bye-bye, Anthony.
Bye-bye, Anthony.
Say miss you.
Miss you.
Say come see me.
Come see me.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you later. Can you say see you later, dude?